Hi, so in this project, this is a WordPress website, and what I have done is the WordPress website shows data from Google Sheet, and how it does that is, first of all, it copies it displays all the unique values from category and sector into this drop down. So whatever you see over here is dynamic. It comes from all the category values that are over here. So all the unique values from the category column is displayed under select category, and all the unique values from select sector are displayed on select sector. And as soon as you select one, say I selected data management, so it shows all the rows that have data management as a sector. So let me just show you quickly. So it's data management. Okay, so you see it starts from GRT, and GRT is over here. It starts from link, so link is over here, right? So it copies the name and symbol from here, and then what it does is it fetches the other data from here. So you see link and chain link is over here, and its rank is number 10, so it shows as rank number 10, and the current price is 30.3523, right? Market cap is 1262. So it shows the data from the sheet. Similarly, when I select a category, it shows the data from the sheet for the category. So this is really interesting. It displays the data from Google Sheet depending on what you select. So if I select file storage over here, you'll see that file storage data will appear. If I select asset management over here, it will show the data from asset management.